All right, the Bohr model. This is how we make models of electrons. Electrons do not stay in a fixed orbit like this. When they lose energy, they may bounce back and forth, but to have a visual, we use the idea that Niels Bohr came up with, that electrons travel or orbit around the nucleus like planets in the solar system. And so we're going to learn how to draw these to help us have a visual for models. So how to draw them. This is the information that you're going to need to know. You have to get the number of protons, and you get this from the atomic number. You determine your neutrons by mass number minus atomic number, and you're going to write these numbers in the nucleus. P plus is the symbol for proton, n to the 0 power is the nucleus. Is the neutrons, and you're going to put the number of each in the center circle for the nucleus. The period number we talked about yesterday, which is the rows goes left to right. That is telling you how many circles to put around the nucleus. So if it's in period 2, you're going to have 2 circles. And then your electrons is going to be the same as your atomic number of protons, and you're going to fill those in. And remember, it's 2 on the ring closest to the nucleus, up to 8 on the next ring out, and then you can have up to 8 again on the ring out, and then any that are left over on the 4th ring. The number of valence electrons, this is the electrons in the outermost energy level, that's your group number. So you can always check to see if you did it right by that. So this is already up here, because if I put it in present, it doesn't record. But if we were to do this, we would look on the periodic table. You would find nitrogen, atomic number 7, put 7p in the middle. Its mass number is 14.00674, round that to 14. Subtract the 7 for the atomic number, you get 7 neutrons. It is in row 2, so you have 2 circles, and then you have 7 electrons, 2 on the ring closest to the nucleus, and the remaining 5 out here. And they tend to like to be in pairs. So on the first one, you kind of balance it out with 1 on either side. And then you start off putting usually 1 at the top, 1 at the side, 1 at the bottom, 1 at the other side. Then you start pairing up, because this will let you see how many places it can share or give or receive electrons if it's in a compound. Let's see if that is it. So we're going to do an activity today. Let's see if I can get it up without it messing up my video. We'll see what it does on the video here. We're going to look at an activity. That is not correct. Yeah. First, let me go back here. I'm going to stop